Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. And ICICI Bank just dropped the biggest and the most brutal devaluation in the last month of 2025. This will affect a lot of people who were dependent on the ICICI Bank Sapphire cards, the Rubik's cards, and the Coral cards for their Book My Show's buy one get one offer. We are going to cover each and everything, but there are some subtle changes to the whole credit card game from ICICI Bank, starting with the reward points on the transportation merchant category, that is MCC codes 4111, 4112, 4784, and 4131. So the changes are from 1st February of next year. Up to 20,000 spends, you are going to get your reward points, whatever you were getting. But after that, till 50,000, you are not going to get any reward points. And moreover, after 50,000, the 1% charge will be levied on the total transaction. So now this will be considered as a devaluation because transportation merchant category generally consists of Ola, Uber, and if you are doing higher end transactions, then it will now start not first giving points and then it will charge you 1% extra as some other benefits, because mostly it has been considered as a commercial usage if you are spending more than 50,000 on transportation and all. The most brutal one, Book My Show. Now for you to access your buy one get one tickets on Book My Show, you have to spend 25,000 in the last 3 months. So example, let me be clear, for April, May and June 2026, you have to spend from 26 December 2025 till 25th March of 2026. You have to spend 25,000 on all your cards, and then only you are going to get this chance of using it in April, May and June months access. So similarly, for July, August and September 2026, you have to spend between 26th March 2026 till 25th of June 2026, 25,000 rupees, and then only you will be able to access the buy one get my book one show. Now the problem is, this is going to start a new precedence among all the credit card issuing banks, where they are going to regulate and try to link it with a spend based criteria for all their buy one get one Book My Show offers. And just like it happened in golf access, just like it happened in some of the other benefits like lounge access, where it was linked to a spend based in the last quarter, this will trigger a lot of other banks to introduce this benefit as a spend based benefit rather than being a card feature, which it was till now. So now it will be a very brutal thing to have, and a lot of users have to change their strategy now to get access to. The next brutal thing is from 15 Jan 2026, where 2% of the charges will be levied on gaming platforms such as Dream 11, Rummy Culture, Jungly Games and MPL, basically digital gaming platforms. But it is not limited to these. A lot of like any other category, any other transactions carried out on these MCC codes of 5816 and any other MCC code introduced in the future will take 2% charges for the same, plus the GST of course. And now if you load money onto third-party wallets such as Paytm, Amazon Pay, MobiKwik, Freecharge and Ola Money, you will incur a charge of 1% plus GST on any amount more than 5,000 in a month. And again, I just covered that if you use your card for MCC codes 4111, 4112, 4784 and 4131 exceeding 50,000, you are going to incur a charge of 1% plus GST. Again, dynamic currency conversion fees now will be as equivalent to the forex charges. So just let me clarify, if you are using your card on a foreign vendor and you trying to pay with INR, so what used to happen is the charges used to be converted to INR and then 1% of the charge used to be taken as DCC. Again, this is going to change. Now it will be same as the forex markup fee of 3.5% on most of the cards, except a few like their Times Black, like the Amazon Pay, like the Emerald Private Metal, Emerald Metal cards. where it will be somewhere around 1%, and less than that. Apart from that, one more thing you have to understand, that this again will start a cascading effects on all the other banks as well, where they may also start tying up their DCC fees with equivalent to their forex charges for their other cards. So now beware, if you are using these cards for forex charges, DCC charges will be as high as the forex charges and not just 1%. That was a good way of saving some money. Now it is going to get brutal. Apart from that, the DCC charges, the revision of fees at cash payment at branches will be now changed. From 15 Jan, you have to pay 150 rupees plus GST rather than 100. Now, the next is the UPI ID for credit card payment. Now it has been changed from the earlier one to now the new one is ccpay.10-digit mobile number and last 4 digits of your card at the rate ICICI. So if you used to do that, now you understand that this will be your UPI ID to make your ICICI Bank's payment. And EMI foreclosure charges now will be applicable if you opt for EMI and you want to cancel it after the transaction is done. So again, EMI foreclosure has been introduced by a lot of banks, but ICICI will follow suit. And finally, the credit card usage line, and basically you can't use your credit card for commercial or resale purposes. So again, resale is the keyword here. You can't buy your use your credit cards to buy vouchers and then sell it off, because that will ICICI Bank now has a list of things where they can block your card and your reward points. Apart from that, card should not be used for anything speculative, antisocial, money laundering and working capital purposes. So basically no business use of your basic credit cards. Apart from that, one more thing they have added is the add-on fees. So some of the cards excluded, like Emerald, Private Metal, Emerald, all the other cards will now will have an add-on card fee of rupees 199 plus GST. So basically 235 rupees per card. The exceptions here are Times Black, which charges you 3,500 plus GST for their add-on card, and Emerald Private Metal Card, Emerald Private Card, which are free of charge. So again, guys, this is a very brutal devaluation, and the important thing I want to press is the DCC charges as similar to your forex charges. Now all the other banks may follow suit apart from that. The BookMyShow offers, again, spend-based, behavior-based BookMyShow offer is going to be brutal. So next 6 months, you will find these mails coming from other banks as well, where they will follow suit with ICICI and they will try to limit the reward points you are getting for these kind of things. So what do you think about these devaluations? For me, I think they're very brutal. However, if you want to get ahead of the game, you need to understand that on our English channel, we have some member only videos, which if you are watching, you will get to go ahead of the crowd. And in our Hindi channel, we have a list of a bunch of videos. These are all similar videos, but I have not been able to upload on the English channel. However, the videos will be uploaded and you will get a collection of videos which will make you go fast in the credit card game. These are all videos which are available outside, but as a collection you will never find it anywhere. Example is how to get your fee waiver with a DCB card, how to get cashbacks on credit card bill payment, cheat sheet for Cathay Pacific, how to do credit card to bank transfer absolutely safely, how to book your rooms for your friends and family using merit points, and so on. There are so many videos. A lot of people have joined the group. It's for $199 only, and you get access to a members only WhatsApp group plus 15 minutes of chat with me. If you are interested, do definitely support the channel by being a member, and you will get to learn a lot. Apart from that, on our Twitter, we have 11,500 followers. So we are reaching towards 12,000. We just need your help, and you get the updates in return from the credit card world. So thanks a lot for watching. I hope you guys had fun watching this video. I hope you take care and stay safe. Bye bye. See you and Jai Hind.